Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to our first podcast. I hope all of you are healthy wherever you are. My name is Alfia Rizky Hayurinisa. I will be host of this podcast, and we also have special guest. She is my friend from my university, same university with me. Please welcome Hera Nurfitri Rahayu. Yeah. In this occasion, we will talk deeply about our hometown by Q&A. So first, I ask Hera a question, then Hera will answer my question. First, let's say hello to her. Hello, Hera. How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm great. Alhamdulillah. Thank you for asking. So, Hera, are you ready to answer my question?
Yes, I'm ready.
Oh, okay, let's start. Yeah. The first question is, where do you live, or where is your hometown?
I live in Garut. It's called Intan City. Do you know Garut?
Oh, Garut. Of course, I know Garut, but I've never been there before, so I just know it.
I see. How about you? Where do you live?
Oh, me? Oh, I live in Sukabumi. Do you know about Sukabumi before?
Yes, I know, but I never have been there.
Okay, so we visit each other first, yeah. Okay, let's move to the second question. It's Garut big city?
No, my hometown is small city. How about your hometown? How big is it?
Same with Garut. My hometown is not big. Sukabumi is small city, but I still like it. Yeah. So we have same again. Okay, next is how 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 long have you lived there?
I have been living there for about 19 years since I was born. How about you?
Oh, same with you. I was living in my hometown, Kabumi, about 20 years since I was born until now. Maybe if the lecture are offline, we go to Bandung, yeah. Okay, the next question is, what was your hometown in like 5, 10, or 20 years ago? And how has it changed?
Garut has changed a lot in the last 1 years. The city has expanded so much, both physically and economically. It's much more destination and much more expensive than it used to be. However, the soul of the city is still there. The population used to be older, mostly Sundanese, whereas there are more young people from other cities. Hey, how about you? What was your hometown like 5, 10, or 20 years ago? And how has it changed?
Maybe in Sukabumi has changed a lot in the last 5 years. It's much more modern than before. Many facilities are repaired, such as the mosque, the town square, and many more. It's look more beautiful. And then many public facilities like cinema. Before that, uh, there is no cinema in Sukabumi. But now it has a cinema. So yes, that's it, I
Hmm.
think. Okay. If how long time we need if we want to go to Garut? Uh, if we from Bandung.
Hmm. It takes travel from Bandung to Garut, maybe 2 hours. How about you?
Oh, um, if Sukabumi or Bandung Sukabumi maybe takes 3 or 4 hours
Oh.
because the traffic. Yeah, so stressed in on the way. Okay. Uh, Next question. What is Garut famous for?
Hmm. It also famous for food such as dodol Garut, and it's famous for its destinations such as Santolo Beach, Sayang Beach, and Papandayan Mountain. How about Sukabumi? What's the famous for?
Oh, by the way, I like Dodol Garut. It's
Oh.
very nice. Okay, for Sukabumi, I think uh, Suspension Bridge in Situguru become a famous place because that suspension bridge is the longest suspension bridge in East Asia. Besides that, we have famous beach like Pelabuhan Ratu Beach and Unyu Genteng Beach. And if we talk about the food, I think Sukabumi famous food is mochi because if people visit Sukabumi, they would buy mochi to take home.
Hmm.
Have you tried Sukabumi mochi?
Yes, I have. It is so delicious.
Oh, okay. Think it's nice too.
Okay.
Okay. Let's move to the another question. Uh, what do you like the most from? Oh, sorry. What good about your hometown? What do you like the most?
Hmm. I really like living in Garut because the people are friendly and the air is cool. How about you? About the what? How about you? What do you like the most from your hometown?
Um, for me, living in Sukabumi suit me. It's small enough that you can get to know your neighbors. Then I like the atmosphere and the temperature quite cold and so many natural destination for spend your holiday. I think that's what I like. the most?
I think I will go to your hometown to someday. Yes.
Okay. I will wait for it, yeah.
Okay.
Next question is, what are your happiest hometown memories?
What makes me happy in my hometown is being able to spend time with family, being able to meet old friends, the cool atmosphere, and beautiful scenery. How about you? What are your happiest hometown memories?
My happiest hometown memories for me is when gathering with all of my family, such as celebrating of Idul Fitri, Idul Adha, and celebrating the New Year's. I like the togetherness of my family, so it always be a lasting memories for me. Is the last question you dislike about your hometown?
For me, Garut is great, but it can be very stressful because you are always thinking about money and how to make ends meet, and the people, and there are still many people. How about you? What do you dislike the most from your hometown?
Oh, Sukabumi is nice, but sometimes I find it a little bit boring because this is the most small city. And then some public facilities are not complete like in a big city. And then I dislike about the traffic and the broken roads. I think it can be an issue. Okay. Yeah, maybe there must be advantage and disadvantage there are in our place. Yeah. Okay. That's really a great story. But anyways, we have been at the end for this our podcast today. Thank you so much, Sarah, for coming today, and thank you for the audience who watched this podcast till the end. Okay, see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.